have a box from Carismo. Now, time to see what's inside. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, there's a ton of tape on here, but I guess I have to take it all apart. 1 second while I cut this up. Okay, it's all cut. Now let's start. Let's move this up. Wow, can you guess what it is? Alright, I've cut up some of the tape, and let's take a look. Might be able to tell there what it is. There you go. Go ahead and take this apart. There you go. Carbon fiber steering wheel for Dodge Charger. It's gonna look real good. Alright, so here it is. Steering wheel. Carbon fiber. From, I believe the name is Carismo. It's gonna look real good right there. But we're getting this installed tomorrow. I'll give you guys a progress update. We're on our way to SS Motorsports to get the new steering wheel installed. Alright, we're here, SS Motorsports. Dropping it off. Alright guys, here it is, fully installed. The carbon fiber steering wheel from Carismo. Yeah, so overall, I'm extremely satisfied. I mean, I think I would have liked these pieces to also be carbon, but this is a core unit, so you have to kind of be aware of that when ordering a carbon fiber steering wheel. But I mean, it looks way better than stock. I have the stock one in the back seat. So you can see, stock. Just leather wrapped. This is wrapped on the sides and then carbon on the top and bottom. Then it has that red strip there for, I don't know, added looks. I do plan on wrapping this chrome satin black just to match these. And I think I was looking at, I think his name is Rebadge Design, to get something, an overlay over that, but I'm still not sure about that one, just because it does look a little too much like a sticker. But I guess I'll figure that one out if I order it or not. So you can see it there. Looks real nice. So yeah, drop a like, subscribe, and look out for more videos.